Knoxville's climate brings with it the beauty of four distinct seasons: lush springs, humid summers, colorful autumns, and chilly winters. While this variety adds to the charm of living in East Tennessee, it also creates unique challenges for your home's windows. From heavy rainfall and high humidity to fluctuating temperatures and occasional snowfall, Knoxville's weather can put your windows to the test. Proper window maintenance is key to protecting your home, preserving energy efficiency, and extending the lifespan of your investment. Whether you've recently replaced your windows or have older ones in need of upkeep, here's a homeowner's guide to maintaining your windows in Knoxville's changing climate. Inspect regularly for damage and wear. Start by visually inspecting your windows at least twice a year, ideally in the spring and fall, before the extreme heat or cold sets in. Look for cracks in the glass, warping or rotting of the frame, especially with wood, deteriorating weather stripping or sealing, signs of moisture between double panes, which can indicate seal failure. Catch problems early to prevent more serious damage and costly repairs down the line. Clean your windows thoroughly. Knoxville's humid conditions can lead to a buildup of dirt, pollen, and mildew, especially in the spring and summer. Regular cleaning helps keep your windows looking clear and functioning properly. Use a mild soap and water solution or a vinegar-based cleaner for the glass. Avoid abrasive pads that can scratch the surface. Clean both the interior and exterior, paying close attention to corners and frames. If your windows tilt in, use that feature to safely clean upper-level windows from inside your home. Lubricate moving parts. Knoxville's moisture and temperature fluctuations can cause metal components to rust or seize up. To keep your windows opening and closing smoothly, lubricate tracks, hinges, and locks with a silicone-based lubricant every few months. Avoid petroleum-based products, as they can attract dirt and grime or damage certain finishes. Check and replace weather stripping. Weather stripping is essential for keeping your home insulated and energy efficient, especially during Knoxville's hot summers and cold winters. Over time, weather stripping can become brittle, peel off, or lose its shape, allowing drafts and moisture to enter. Inspect the seals around your windows. If you feel air coming through or see light around the edges, it's time to replace them. Choose high-quality, climate-appropriate weather stripping for best results. Prevent condensation and mold. High humidity levels, especially in summer, can lead to condensation forming on window panes. This can promote mold and mildew growth if left unchecked. Use a dehumidifier indoors during the most humid months. Ensure good air circulation by keeping furniture and curtains away from vents and windows. Wipe down excess moisture as soon as you notice it. Proper ventilation in kitchens and bathrooms can also reduce indoor humidity and prevent condensation buildup. Maintain exterior caulking. The caulking around your window frames is your first line of defense against moisture intrusion. In Knoxville's wet climate, Cracked or deteriorating caulking can quickly lead to leaks, water damage, and even wood rot. Inspect exterior caulking annually and reseal any gaps with a weatherproof, paintable caulk suitable for outdoor use. Protect against UV damage with Knoxville's long sunny days. UV rays can damage window frames, especially those made of wood. To protect your windows, apply UV protectant finishes to wood frames. Consider adding window treatments like blinds or UV blocking films to reduce interior fading. Keep up with regular painting or staining of wood frames to maintain their finish and integrity. Final thoughts. Knoxville's diverse climate requires a bit of extra care when it comes to window maintenance, but the payoff is well worth it. With regular inspections, cleaning, and simple upkeep, you'll extend the life of your windows, improve your home's energy efficiency, and keep your living space comfortable year-round. If you notice persistent problems like drafts, foggy glass, or sticking frames, it may be time to consult a local window professional. Properly maintained windows not only protect your home but also add long-term value, comfort, and peace of mind.